Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Furtwangen University's account. So let's get started. So to log into your Furtwangen University's account, what you can do is just open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Furtwangen University login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply type on this option. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply enter your user identification and then enter your password, which is on the top right corner of your screen. So just simply enter your user identification and then your password. After entering your user identification and password, just tap on register, and after tapping on register, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot your login, and after tapping on that, you can easily reset and recover your password or your user identification. So after doing that, just come back and then enter your user identification or the password that you have recovered and then tap on register, and after tapping on register, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Furtwangen University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.